You won't have to watch the markets all day, this is completely hands-off. You don't have to have any experience, or a genius trader. Literally all you have to do is click a few buttons and watch these beautiful machines, algorithms, and artificial intelligence systems go to work, and they print money for you. The things I am going to discuss are the bots to use, when to use them, and how to use them. This way you won't have to be constantly towering over a phone or laptop trying to figure out all of this by yourself. You will be leveraging computers and artificial intelligence and machine learning. That is what it is called. You will be able to do the work more consistently, without emotion and without human error. Which will help you in the long run to make more money with greater stability. Most crypto bots use a combination of computer algorithms, machine learning and artificial intelligence to analyze the overall cryptocurrency market, look for trends, analyze technical charts, and buy when it is most profitable, all based on a variety of factors. There are ways to execute multiple buy and sell orders to profit from volatility, to profit from a bear turn in the market, or you can also profit from bull runs. You will be able to actually create buy and sell orders at the same time using bots. They will educate and learn to do them for you. KuCoin is the most popular trading bot. Be sure to stay to the end of the video because I am going to go over another bot that provides more significant returns. You can see that there's several main things you can do on this bot. And you want to go to the trade tab and check that there are tab for trading bot, click that and a list for spot grid, futures grid, smart rebalance, and DCA comes up. Here's how they work. Generally these bots generate 1% to 10% and more per day. Generally with investing we use the percentage for the year, but because of the popularity of all of this, it is actually the percentage of return per day. Mostly, using these bots, you are going to see a 0.5% to a 1% return. It is very significant because you are generating that amount daily. And of course the bot gives you an annual estimate, and it's solely based off the previous year of returns based on the current and previous market conditions. You want to be aware of at least this much so you know that your gains can and will fluctuate from what the estimates are. The spot grid makes the money during the volatile market. It does this by buying and selling market orders and margins as quickly as the volatility fluctuates. You should use this bot when the market is volatile, and you should also be using this bot to profit from all of the price movements that the market makes, and so you don't have to keep watching your phone or laptop. And so you don't have to watch the markets and cryptocurrencies all day. And it also caps some of your downside risk. The futures grid. This is the same thing as the spot grid bot, but it has futures. This part of the bot gives you access to two more tools. One called leverage and shorting. Leverage is the amount of money you can borrow from KuCoin or any bot or trading platform, and it is in direct proportion to how much capital you have available in your account. For example, if you have $500,000 in your account, the platform might let you borrow $500,000 of leverage. And that means you can invest with this bot and have the potential to lose all of your portfolio or have the potential to double your portfolio. The smart rebalance. This is used if you want to invest into a few certain cryptos that you want to set it up and leave it ride. It has a number of different portfolios. You can use templates. These tools take out all of the emotional aspects and any kind of psychological challenge that might occur while trading. The DCA. The dollar cost averaging. This part allows you to buy cryptocurrencies over a consistent period of time to get the average amount of the percentage that is gained or lost by the market. This helps curb volatility. It also helps to avoid buying a coin at its 52-week high or something like that. Next, Pionex. Pionex is a cryptocurrency exchange that has trading bots that may be used to execute trades. It is free to sign up, and you will get access to 18 different trading bots. With the help of these bots, you automate your investment approach, so you don't spend all day watching the market. Pionex has cheap trading fees and a great option for mobile users. Pionex is a choice for investors who trade in large volumes and if you move your money often. Pionex offers manual trading via the use of crypto conversions. It also offers a variety of trading bots. First, it has the grid trading bot. And it enables users to purchase cheap and sell high in a certain price range. It also has a leverage grid bot that can offer up to 5x the amount of leverage. The spot futures arbitrage bot helps users to make passive income, and it minimizes the risk. This method is expected to provide a return of 10 to 49% annual percentage rate. There is a bot called the Martingale bot that does DCA purchase and does one-time sell orders that help users benefit from price fluctuations. The rebalancing bot lets you in HODL. Dollar cost averaging, DCA bot. This bot makes repeated purchases at regular intervals in order to counteract the impact of volatility on the market. The Smart Trade terminal lets traders buy stop losses, take profits, and create trailing stop loss orders all in one transaction. Pionex charges a fee when you perform trades that create liquidity on the market and when you do transactions that take liquidity away from the market. The maker charges 0.05% of the total amount of the transaction if it is not promptly matched by an existing order on the books. If you make a trade order that is promptly matched with an existing order, you will be charged a taker fee of 0.05% of the total transaction price. Third is CoinRule. CoinRule has so many trading methods, so it's hard to pass this one up, and it's difficult for competing bots to match. With more than 100 trading templates that are automatically performed when market circumstances satisfy AI specified criteria, the cryptocurrency trading bot enables customers to customize their entire account. Plus, CoinRule is continually introducing new templates to its platform, ranging from accumulating techniques to long-term holding strategies and stop-loss settings. They offer a package that includes several complementary template strategies and up to 3,000 in monthly trading volume. CoinRule also has sophisticated charting choices, limitless template use, and even one-on-one trading tutorials and training. Fourth is Shrimpy Io. When you use Shrimpy Io to manage your portfolio, you have the option of connecting to any of 18 exchanges. It is possible to connect to many exchanges at the same time, and you may add as many wallets as you need. Select the account style that best suits your needs, whether it be starter, professional, or enterprise. Low rates enable you to keep up with Shrimpy and let the bot take care of the maintenance of your assets when you don't have the time. You can experiment with different investing strategies and copy experts. The main thing that is exciting about this platform is that it enables you to combine all your assets in case you have dispersed your funds over a number of other exchanges. Number 5 is CryptoHopper. When you depend on a cryptocurrency trading bot, even brief periods of downtime might result in lost income since the Bitcoin market is continuously changing. CryptoHopper is a trading bot that operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and is totally hosted on cloud storage. In other words, the bot does not suffer any downtime, and any upgrades are sent without interfering with your trade or suspending your trading account. In the event that your network goes down, your CryptoHopper account will continue to function normally. CryptoHopper also has a simple and clear setup procedure, and there is no need to provide credit card information in order to participate. Simply create an account and begin investing right away. There is no need to download or install any software. Like all of the other bots, emotions are taken out of the trading so you have the ability to improve your trading performance and optimize your approach. Number 6, Traility. This platform is good if you want to have a lot of sophisticated transactions with super creative algorithms. Traility offers education for its users and has a lot of community efforts. The platform is extremely popular, even globally, for cryptocurrency traders at all levels, including beginning and expert traders. Traility created a tool called the Rule Builder. It helps people who don't know how to build complicated trading algorithms. It has a visual user interface that allows you to create the logic of your trading bot by dragging and dropping different indicators and strategies on the screen. Trality's browser-based code editor is the most powerful of its type for advanced users who are familiar with Python programming. Using this tool, experienced developers can design complicated and advanced tactics very fast and with a lot of security. With Traility, you can run backtests to evaluate your algorithms before putting your new bot into a live market. You can also paper trade in order to observe how your bot is doing in real time without risking any real money. Trality is free to use when you first sign up, and it offers a variety of price options for different types of users. Number 7, this is best for a mobile device, and it's Crypto Hero. With a website that has a gorgeous user interface, Crypto Hero is an innovative platform with an exceptional user experience. Their smartphone application, on the other hand, is much better. The software is simple to download and does not cause your phone to overheat, use excessive memory, or load slowly. When you join up with Crypto Hero, you have the option of choosing between the free and premium platforms before starting trading. The mobile app includes a straightforward tutorial that guides you through the process of creating your own bot and making an investment. The Deals tab is divided into 2 sections, In Progress and Completed, and you may examine your dashboard to see your active orders, realized profits, win-loss ratio, and total number of trades. All of your information is readily available without the need to go through a complicated interface. While the notion of cryptocurrency trading might be complicated, and developing your own trading bots requires specialized knowledge, Crypto Hero makes it simple to get started in the cryptocurrency market without any prior expertise. You can use Crypto Hero on the go with a mobile app rather than having to watch the markets all day. The app is particularly useful if you travel or commute often or want to keep all of your cryptocurrency assets on a single device. If you feel I've given you value, make sure and smash the subscribe button and leave a comment that you've subscribed and I will reply back. That's all on